Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into something that feels like magic, but is actually just math and data. How AI is secretly powering the apps you use every day. By the end of this video, you'll understand the invisible helpers inside your phone. From the search bar you use every morning to the photos you edit at night. Stick around because later I'll reveal a simple trick to see AI at work in any app. And one everyday app that uses AI in a way that might surprise you. Curiouser? Good, let's go. What AI powering apps actually means. When we say AI is powering apps, we don't always mean a full robot living inside your phone. Often it's small models, smart rules, and cloud services that run behind the scenes. These systems analyze patterns in text, images, and behavior to make decisions or predictions. And they do it in ways you rarely notice. For example, when an app suggests the next word while you type, that's AI predicting what's likely to come next. When a playlist seems to know you, that's AI matching your listening with similar patterns. These building blocks are stitched together to create smoother experiences, not miracles. Tease. Later, we'll look at a real app UI and point out 5 tiny AI signals that are quietly shaping its behavior. Search and recommendations, the engines you owe your morning to. Search and recommendation systems are among the most visible uses of AI. When you type a query, ranking algorithms quickly decide which results are most relevant. When you scroll a feed, recommendation models decide what to show next to keep you engaged. These systems use signals like clicks, watch time, location, device type, and more to personalize content. But personalization isn't just show more of the same. Smart systems try to balance relevance with novelty so you don't get stuck in a loop. That balancing act explains why sometimes you see exactly what you want, and other times you see something refreshingly different. Tease. I'll show a 2-line trick you can try in any app to test whether its recommendations are AI-driven. Personalization and ads. The tailored shopping mall. Every ad that seems to read your mind is usually powered by AI. Ad platforms analyze behavioral patterns to match products with potential buyers. They optimize bids, choose audiences, and even write ad copy using predictive scoring. Apps personalize interfaces too. Menus, offers, and home screens change based on what the AI thinks you'll find useful. The trade-off? Convenience versus control. Personalization can save you time, but also reinforce narrow choices and reveal signals advertisers love. Tease. Later, I'll explain a quick privacy setting that reduces AD personalization without breaking most apps. Photos, cameras, and image magic. Your camera app uses AI for more than filters. Scene detection, automatic exposure, portrait mode background blur, and even automatic color correction are AI at work. When you remove an unwanted object or generate a stylized version of a photo, computer vision and generative models are doing the heavy lifting. These features often combine on-device AI, fast, private, with cloud processing, more powerful, depending on the task and your connection. The result, better photos with fewer clicks, and features that cleverly guess what you wanted before you asked for it. Tease. I'll show a before and after clip where a subtle on-device AI tweak completely transforms a photo. Maps, navigation, and location-aware smarts. Maps aren't just maps anymore. AI helps predict traffic, reroute you, estimate arrival times, and suggest places you might like. It uses real-time data, historical patterns, and even image recognition for identifying business storefronts. Hidden features, predictive lane guidance, ETA adjustments based on driving behavior, and smart rerouting during incidents. All guided by models that learn from millions of trips. That's why your app can say, arrive 3 minutes earlier after recalculating traffic. Tease. At the end, I'll show a tiny test you can run to see ETA prediction tweaks in your area. Communication, Smart replies, email triage, and voice assistance, those quick reply suggestions in chat apps, that's AI suggesting short, context-aware phrases. Email apps use AI to triage messages, highlight important emails, and suggest follow-ups so your inbox becomes manageable. Voice assistants use speech recognition and natural language understanding to map your words to actions. The neat part, these features turn friction into flow, saving tiny bits of time that add up over weeks and months. They make casual interactions faster and professional workflows smoother. Tease. I'll demonstrate how a smart reply can sometimes reveal more about your contact's habits than you'd expect. Finance fraud detection and safer transactions. Banking apps use AI to detect suspicious transactions, categorize spending, and personalize financial advice. Fraud detection models flag unusual patterns, like a sudden purchase in a foreign country, and can freeze or alert accounts to prevent theft. On the flip side, AI helps finance apps offer micro-investment suggestions and make faster credit decisions by analyzing broader signals in seconds instead of days. That combination speeds services and strengthens security, though it also raises questions about automated decisions for money matters. Tease. I'll tell a short story of how AI caught a tiny fraudulent charge that a human might have missed. Health, fitness, and wellness trackers. Many fitness and health apps use AI to translate sensor data into insights, detecting workouts, estimating calories, analyzing sleep stages, and even flagging irregular heart rhythms. These features often combine sensor fusion, accelerometer plus heart rate plus GPS, with models trained on large data sets. While not a replacement for medical diagnosis, they provide early signals and encourage healthier choices. Small nudges, like suggesting a short walk after a long inactivity, can change behavior over time. Tease. I'll give you one smart way to use your health app's AI data to genuinely improve sleep within a week. How these systems are built: models, APIs, and the cloud. Under the hood, apps often rely on pre-trained models, APIs, and cloud services. Developers stitch together pieces: a speech-to-text API here, an image recognition service there, and a recommendation engine tuned for their users. Some functions run locally for speed and privacy, others offload heavy lifting to the cloud. The important takeaway: you don't need to build AI from scratch. Most apps use existing building blocks customized with small datasets and clever engineering. Tease. I'll walk through a simplified flowchart later so you can see how an app calls 3 different services in under a second. Privacy, ethics, and what you should watch out for. AI is powerful, but it raises privacy and ethical questions. Data used for personalization can be misused, models can reflect biases, and opaque decisions can be hard to contest. Simple steps help. Check permission settings, limit data sharing for ads, and review app privacy dashboards. Look for apps that offer on-device processing for sensitive tasks. That's usually better for privacy. When a model makes a decision affecting you, demand transparency and recourse. AI is already woven into the apps you touch daily. It makes things faster, smarter, and often more convenient. But it also raises questions about control and privacy. Simple actions: review app permissions, toggle ad personalization, check which features work offline, and prefer apps that explain what data they use. If you're a creator or developer, start small. Integrate a single API to add value before scaling. Small, informed choices let you enjoy the benefits without giving away more than you intend. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and ring the bell so you don't miss the follow-up where I walk through a live app. Teardown showing 5 hidden AI signals. Drop a comment with the app you want me to analyze next. I'll pick one and do the teardown in the next video. See you next time.